What if you could turn your regular TV into a super fast 8K smart entertainment hub? Today on Smart Home Hub, we're checking out the powerful Q19 Smart TV Box, packed with Android 16, up to 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and blazing fast performance. But is this one of the best budget TV boxes in 2026? Let's find out. Inside the box, you'll typically find the Q19 Smart TV Box, remote control, power adapter, HDMI cable, and user manual. Some bundles also include a mini wireless keyboard with touchpad, which makes navigation much easier and faster. The Q19 comes with a compact and minimal plastic design, making it easy to place anywhere near your TV. It's lightweight, simple, and functional, perfect for home setups or travel use. Now let's talk power. This TV box is driven by the Allwinner H618 quad-core Cortex-A53 processor, combined with Mali-G31 MP2 GPU, up to 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. This means smooth UI performance, faster app loading, and better multitasking. Perfect for streaming, apps, and everyday use. One of the biggest highlights is Android 16, giving you a modern interface, better app compatibility, and improved system stability. You can install apps like YouTube, Netflix, media players, games, turning your TV into a complete smart entertainment system. The Q19 supports dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4G plus 5G, Bluetooth 6.0. This ensures faster connections, stable streaming, and better device pairing. Whether you're using wireless headphones or streaming online content, it stays smooth and reliable. Yes, this box supports 8K video output. Combined with hardware 3D acceleration, you get sharper visuals, smoother playback, and better overall viewing experience. Perfect for movies, YouTube, and high-quality content. If your package includes the mini wireless keyboard, that's a huge bonus. You get 92-key layout, built-in touchpad, backlit keys, and a 360-degree control. This makes typing, browsing, and navigation much easier than using a standard remote. In real-world use, the Q19 is great for streaming movies and TV shows, watching YouTube, light gaming, browsing the web, and using apps like KODI. It's a solid option for turning any TV into a smart entertainment hub. Pros: latest Android 16 OS, up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Smooth performance for daily use. 8K video support. Dual-band Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth 6.0. Optional keyboard improves usability. Cons: not ideal for heavy gaming. UI may vary depending on firmware. Plastic build feels basic. The Q19 Smart TV Box delivers strong performance, modern features, and great value for money. If you're looking for a fast Android TV box, large storage options, and a smooth streaming experience, then the Q19 is definitely worth considering in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart gadgets and tech reviews on Smart Home Hub. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.